Okay, I'm going to make a video so you can hear exactly what I'm talking about. So after my juvenile mistake of thinking the black wire was a negative, I got the bully hooked up to the negative on the battery. It's still doing the same thing. I will fire it up so you can hear. I'm going to have to lay this phone down. I'll set it up here or something. Anyway, so here, and you can hear the fuel pump. And just a moment here. So that's what it's doing. But again, when I turn everything off, it so all of that is sounding the same. So don't know. Help. And when I do the, I got my little error code checker hookup. It is giving the C00. Turn it back off. Let's see here. And it's still giving. All right.